how to sign out of your Fantasy Premier League account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Fantasy Premier League account safely and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on your profile icon, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. So here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here, once you see the interface like this, at the top, you can see two tabs. So from there, simply tap on the tab labeled as My PL Settings. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your account profile settings page. Now here, at the bottom left side, you can see the option labeled as Sign Out. So simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be signed out and redirected to the home page or the login screen. And that's all there is to it. Signing out is important, especially if you're using a shared or a public computer. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.